This is an update on my Fresno chili pepper that was dying because of the spider mites in my arrow garden. And as you can see, it's bouncing right back. Some of the did cut away some of the branches that nothing was growing on them, and as soon as they see they're fruiting, so there's peppers growing on this thing. But once it does, it grows, and if it doesn't keep spitting out more and more plants, which it seems to want to do, I'll cut this stem back, and I might even remove this whole section here, because look what we have here. This is a whole entire new plant. And I could easily cut every single thing back on this plant. And this would start an entirely brand new plant to replace all of this. So that's exciting. Look at that one. It's getting red already. And look at all the peppers. And then I got to trim everything back from the light again because it's all up into the light. But there are peppers all over the place. That's amazing. All right, so don't ever give up. Let the plant do what it's going to do, and you might be rewarded for it. So that's pretty cool. Despite the spider mites, this plant wants to grow and live. Alrighty, that's the update on that. And I'll be back with an update on the tomato plant that was hurt because of my neglect. Be right back. Oops, before that, I did want to show the Plenty seed unit that the pump died on, and the peppers were dying. I trimmed all the dead things back. I put a fish tank air stone in the unit to replace the water moving action, and we are recovering. Life has returned. So that's pretty cool. I thought this plant was a goner, but look, we've got a little baby pepper plant, and it still has its little skirt on there that'll drop, and then we'll be growing more peppers. You can see the flowers. Oh, little baby pepper there too. So yeah, don't give up. All right, be right back. All right, I thought for sure this thing was a goner, but we have new life. It is returning. Slowly, but there are new leaves popping out from where I had cut it back. And anything that continues to die, I'll cut off and allow the things that are thriving to... See, this is all new growth right here. This could grow a whole new branch and produce tomatoes. And then I can just cut off all this stuff. That's if it's not producing and thriving. So that's really awesome. All right, so that's the update on the 3 plants that bad things happened to. But I gave them a little bit of love and attention, and they seem to be returning and rewarding me for it, which is pretty awesome. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.